Samsung Galaxy A54 5G review, a perfect price fit. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is a price-worthy, feature-rich option that you can definitely consider buying. When compared to phones under the S series, the phones under the A series are a bit more affordable as they fall in the mid-range segment. With so much competition in the market in this segment, Samsung has now fueled the fire with its Galaxy A54 5G smartphone. It's worth noting that Samsung has hardly upgraded the look of its back panels across different variants. The Galaxy A54 5G, Galaxy A14 5G, Galaxy A34 5G, even the Galaxy S23, and they all look almost similar. This makes it quite monotonous for the users, which is not the case for Galaxy A54 5G. Galaxy A54 5G also features a glass back, making the red reflective and smudge friendly. However, the Galaxy A54 5G does look classy and is worth flaunting. With no camera modules along with curved edges, the device is handy and comfortable to use. The handset also comes with an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. The Galaxy A54 5G offers you an immersive screen viewing experience with its 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display and a refresh rate of 120Hz. From watching movies to playing games, the experience seems unmatched. The screen provides vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. The scrolling of the screen is also quick and smooth. Whether it is scrolling through social media content, internet browsing, or playing games, it is a seamless experience. Adding to the pros is its brightness level. The device easily lets you read the screen even in sunlight. However, people who prefer a thin bezel may not like the device as it gets a thicker bottom bezel. The device did not slow down or showed any lag during usage. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, the phone is capable of handling everyday tasks without any glitches. From playing graphics-intensive games like Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty Mobile Season 3 to normal ones like Temple Run, Subway Surfers, and Candy Crush, the gaming experience was fun. Long hours of binging sessions to music listening sessions did not bother the phone either. Delightfully, the audio was loud and clear. Running on Samsung One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, the Galaxy A54 5G offers a smooth and efficient user experience with quick app loading time. The 5G connectivity with Jio's 5G offered good internet speed, and both the audio and video calling experience were satisfactory. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G houses a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixel macro lens. It also has an impressive 32-megapixel selfie camera. While when it comes to night photography, the sensor brightened up the image and boosted the colors but without any noise or grains. However, the front camera had a disappointing output as it softened the image. The phone also comes with numerous in-app camera modes like Pro, Panorama, Macro, Single Take, among others. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G could be a great choice as it runs for 2 days without its battery ever dying out on you. It is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and can easily survive 1.5 days given that there is no heavy usage of the phone. However, the device does not come with a charger in the box. Using a 33-watt charger to charge the device would be optimal as the battery would get juiced up in about 50 minutes from 0 to 100%. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is a decent pick for users who want a device offering great battery life, an amazing display, and good camera performance at a starting price of Rs 38,999. The build quality of the phone is decent, and with the software updates, users can easily use the device for up to 5 years. Overall, the phone offers an amazing user experience and value for money.